And I want to know how many people probably also saw that show. Kinikwento sa akin na to siya. I think Martin After Dark. And she was guesting at the show. At kinikwento nung girlfriend ko at the time. Oo, naiyak ako kasi naiyak si Regine at kinikwento niya na I want to thank Ariel for the happiest 4 months of my life. Ewan ko kung ba't naalala ko yun. Yun lang naalala ko. Sabi ko, ano ba yun?
Akin na nga itong mic. Ikaw, kung ano-ano kinukwento mo. No, but it's true. At that time, it was the best 4 months of my life. Because he was a perfect gentleman. He was nice to me, and we had a great time together. It's just that it wasn't meant to be. Anyway, si Martin Rivera, naisipan niyang gumawa ng kanta para ibigay sa akin. Para kasi hindi pa sapat yung masaktan ako. Kailangan may kantang sasakit pa sa akin. Bastos din to si Martin Rivera. Anyway, this song is about saying goodbye, right? And if any of you have experienced anything like that, it doesn't matter how long or how short the relationship is, but when you hurt, right? Walang discrimination sa heartbreak eh. When you hurt, and sometimes, even if the other person already said goodbye, and even if you convinced yourself that you've already said goodbye, your heart doesn't know that it's over.